Hey, what is up you guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are working on the C4. And the first order of business is to change out the privacy cover clips. So as you can see, and as I've mentioned in a previous video, this clip on the passenger side is not doing its job. The privacy cover just kind of slips underneath and then works its way back. And so I found these redesigned clips from Eckler's. And as you can see, they should be a little more functional and should prevent this from happening. I haven't had any issues with the clip on the driver's side, but because these clips are designed so much better, I'm gonna replace both of them. So the clips are just held in by 2 screws, and the new clips do not come with screws, so make sure you reuse your old ones. All right, driver's side's done. All right, both new clips are installed and look good. Let's see how they work. All right, so overall guys, these clips seem to be good quality and looks like they're gonna do the trick. So I was looking in the Eckler's C4 catalog and I came across this roof panel squeak eliminator kit. Apparently 92 and up Corvettes came with this kit, and it's basically a set of pads that you stick on the underside of the roof panel, and apparently it should help with squeaking and rattling. My car's an 89, so it didn't come with this. It was only 17 bucks, so I thought I'd give it a try. These do feel like they're pretty good quality. They're kind of just little pieces of carpet, so we'll see if they make a difference. If any of you watching have a 92 or up C4, let me know if the underside of your roof panel has these pads. If this kit does in fact work, this is a nice cheap mod for 84 to 91 C4s. Let's get the roof panel off and stick these on. All right, you guys, I've got the roof panel here on a towel in the grass, and I'm just trying to look at these directions and figure out where these pads go. And I'm kind of struggling. Honestly, these directions suck, and these pads don't fit in the spots that the directions say they should. So I'm not quite sure what to do. All right, you guys, I'm gonna give up on this for now. I really just can't figure it out. Maybe I'm an idiot, but it's just not making sense to me. So here's a closer look at the directions. Maybe you guys can take a look and let me know in the comments below what you think is going on. According to the directions, that piece should go in that corner, this one down here, that one over here, and that one in this corner. But I just don't see how they fit anywhere. So for example, this one, I mean, this kind of seems like it fits, but it's hitting the weather stripping. Maybe it's supposed to go underneath the weather stripping. I'm not sure, but I just can't find a good spot for it. So again, I'm gonna have to come back to this, and we'll have to figure this out in another video. All right, you guys, the next thing we're gonna do is replace this rear roof panel / window weather stripping. And from what I can tell, it looks like it's pretty easy and straightforward. Looks like there's a push pin right here holding it in place, and likewise on the other side. And then I'm sure there's adhesive holding it in as well. So I'm gonna start by removing these pins and start pulling this off. All right, you guys, I'm not gonna lie, this kind of sucks, but I have this chunk right here out, and there it is. I'm just using this body panel pry tool to get it out, and it's in there pretty good. Obviously, it's got bends in the metal that the weather stripping fits into, as well as adhesive. So I've got my hands full, but I'm slowly making progress. All right, you guys, about halfway done, and it still sucks. So the old piece of weather stripping is pretty much out. Obviously there are some residual pieces in there. I'm thinking that I'll probably work on getting these out off camera, and then maybe in another video I'll reinstall the weather stripping. I think I need some weather stripping adhesive as well, which I don't have, so I'm gonna have to get that. But here's a look at the new weather stripping. I got this from Eckler's and it feels pretty good. It looks pretty good. So I think this will definitely improve things up here. So that's 2 fails in the video. Sorry about that, guys, but let's see if I can get one more thing done before I let you guys go. I've mentioned in a previous video that I'm getting a weird squeaking noise from underneath the hood. It only happens when the engine is cold and the air conditioner is on. Half of you guys said it's probably an issue with the compressor, and the other half of you said it's probably an issue with the belt or the tensioner. I don't want to believe that it's an issue with the compressor, because that would suck and that would be expensive. The belt is brand new and it is a good quality belt. It's a Continental belt. So what I'm going to do is try and replace the tensioner and see if that gets rid of the squeak. I picked up a new AC Delco tensioner from Rock Auto for about 60 bucks. So hopefully this will do the trick. So there's the tensioner right there. And I'm going to get this belt off and take that one bolt out and put the new one on. All right, so the belt is off and out of the way. So let's try and get that 15mm bolt off and get the old tensioner out. Here's the old one compared to the new one, and let's see if we can get the new one in as easily as we took the old one out. The new tensioner is in, so let's see how she runs. Well, so far so good, guys. The engine was a little warm before I started it up, so I'll probably have to start it up in the morning just to be certain that the tensioner was the issue, but so far so good. That's gonna do it for this video, guys. I am going to get this all cleaned up and we will install the new weather stripping in the next video. I'm sorry, this is gonna take a lot more time than I thought it would, and I will also try and figure out what's going on with these squeak pads. So yeah, sorry we had a couple fails in this video and didn't finish a couple things, but at least we got the privacy cover clips in and the new tensioner in. I'll be sure to keep you posted on that and let you know if I have any more squeaks. And I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please hit that thumbs up button. Remember to subscribe if you haven't already. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.